now I show you how to set the alarm clock. First, please tap the power key to turn off the FM or Bluetooth. Tap the M key. They have two modes, 24 hours or 12 hours. Tap the M key to set the hour. Tap the M key to set the minute. Enter. You have been set it. You can see here show you the time you just here show you the alarm clock, what the time you just set it. How to turn off the alarm clock? Please just don't press the snooze. Now the alarm clock is being successfully turned off. How to adjust the night? Tap the snooze. Thank you.